Hello everybody, my name is BDF018 and welcome back to a brand new LEGO creator build. Today, the 2-in-3-in-1 for 31135's vintage motorcycle, the street bike, a small little street bike coming today. I'm looking forward to building this set. I do like the look of it. It's a lot smaller and possibly just as good. We already saw this box on Monday, but I'll run through it real quick. We have the original vintage motorcycle that we built on Monday on the front, today's build and Friday's build on the sides, especially around the sides. On the back, we have got some images, closer images of our three display models doing their thing. I bought this set for £9.99 from Aldi. This is a 128 piece set, and today's build comes in at 29 steps. So divide 128 by 29, you get an average of 4.4 pieces on average per section for this build. I'm going to be taking this apart and getting straight to the build for today, the street bike 2-in-3-in-1. An easy, full and complete build for LEGO product 31135's vintage motorcycle street bike edition, and it's very small. It's just considerably less pieces and really good looking. It actually has a kickstand you can move up if you want to. It is our little spitter for this build. It's very small and very cute. I do have a motorbike. I'm a motorbiker, of course. I own two at the time of recording, and this is a beautiful little example of a little street bike, a naked, you could say, a street fighter. This took 15 minutes to build. Very easy, no issues at all, and sits very nicely if you'd like it to. Nice little display piece, a good B model. I think this is really quite cool. A great little build. I'm looking forward to the Top Fuel Dragster coming your way on Friday. As always, leave your thoughts down below, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Do you prefer this over the original vintage motorcycle? Personally, I think the first build is probably going to be the absolute best that this set's got to give, but this is a great submodel, a great B. I do like it. It's very small, very compact, but that's part of the beauty of these sets. You never know what you're going to get. With that said, I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.